of Cambridge, and also a number of anonymous donors. Thank you very much for supporting this event organised and provided by Cambridge City Council. Get home safe, and thank you once again for being part of the 5th of November fireworks display here in Cambridge.
We're really bad enough for that.
I know.
Eu preciso jantar, eu preciso comer qualquer coisa. Pode ser?
Isto como está mudada e depois de dar a volta.
Eu deixei a bicicleta no teu colo.
Ontem esta começou a ver, não andei depois muito pesada e depois não fiz a bem sentido. Eu não sei se ficar em casa. Só vai um pouco mais hoje. Só isso, não precisa estar That's rather essentials in up to
Bem, até consegue sentir o calor.
Ladies and gentlemen, just another thank you as well to Cambridge
Health and Safety Evaluation deve ter sido vista
Other safety announcements, please. Your safety as you make your way off the common. Please, as best you can, stick to the pavements, particularly on Victoria Avenue as you leave the site, because we need access for any emergency vehicles. So please, as you leave the common this evening, please do try and stay to the pavements and stay off the road to leave access for emergency vehicles. And once again, this is a free event that is maintained free by your generosity. So please do give generously if you can. Suggested minimum donation of £3 per person, and you'll see official collectors with their buckets and their high-vis jackets at the exits as you leave the common this evening. Have a great night, stay safe, and all the best. Thank you.
Aí, agora tirar uma selfie com o fogo.
Sim, bora.
This is like perfect training.
No, it's not.